ago was being
different
it
story.
looked like one of those movies, you know.
Where's the house?
Well, yeah, where things grow up. You know, it's like, oh, there was a house there. We didn't know it. Yeah,
Uncover it.
yeah, that type of thing.
Wow, those pocket doors are.
Wallpaper over wallpaper, you can get to look at both of them.
Yeah, really. Well, I have a friend that lived back in Lancaster that had
Taking a video?
a house that was built like in the 20s.
You taking a video of him?
Yes, ma'am.
It's strange that there's front doors. There's two front doors.
Yeah,
I don't understand that.
very
It
unusual.
must be so that you can bring people into like the private area. You know, look at that.
The register.
Yeah. Well, do you have more questions?
Well,
Actually,
I mean, he's
do that
enjoying
upstairs.
himself. Yeah, I will do a video upstairs.
I can't believe how tall these doors are.
Everything is so tall in here.
You must feel like a midget in here. That
I
must
love
be
it.
A unique feeling for
I
you.
like this.
That's it. I love his idea about doing that. We talked about doing that.
Yeah.
Save a ton of money. It would look more original and shiny.
Excavated all this stuff.
Do you know what
Oh,
Yeah.
and you know what? So
All
I
right, let's
just
just go up.
lived with them a little while.
They seem to be happy.
What about this room? Did you get it?
No.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
What? Do you think this would be big enough for an office?
Yeah, I mean, I think this would work. So this is the downstairs little bonus room.
It'd be a guest. I mean, it'd be a great guest room because it's got the bathroom right next to it. You know?
Well, you think to spend that money there or something. But that's funny. You know, it's like how it goes.
All right, coming upstairs. So this is a landing.
Bedroom one. The closet. This is a fine size for a kid.
Yeah, this is like, yeah, it's a tiny little room, but for a little twin bed and a little cabinet and a little chest.
Or you could make it a closet room.
So these are the two largest rooms. So the bed could go out from there.
Yeah, I mean, I really do like that back bedroom. I don't know if you'd feel comfortable making that a master.
Oh, I don't.
Look at these medallions. And the view from the windows is nice. You can see over to the land that you own over there.
I did want to ask him if you can help remember the roof condition.
Okay.
Yeah, actually the land is good on both sides. It doesn't slope down on the other side.
I thought I remembered it sloping down more with that.
No, it's pretty flat. All right, so this is the other big room, which has
Lots of doors. Oh, so they were going to make this a closet. I didn't get that until just now. You see that?
yeah, I did. Yeah,
Almost just smells.
I am.
Oh. It's all a nice view out of that window.
That rounded, you know, what it looks like to me, that rounded little closet down there.
Oh, yeah.
That looks like an add-on that they did a long time ago.
I wonder.
It looks like to me, the lats look newer. Yeah, this is why I wanted to ask him about the roof, because this is clearly new wallboard and it's clearly been leaking.
Yeah.
But he seems to know everything about the house. I'm sure he knows. So this is the little bathroom puzzle.
I really have to think about this more.
But I do think that the way he's done the work so far has been pretty good in terms of utilizing the space and,
Yeah.
you know. So it looks like he had an architect design the curved.
This room, my favorite room.
It looks like this is the actual. It looks like he's got drawings for a bathtub.
Maybe right here. I don't know how big they are. You know, it's okay. This is where the old bathroom was. How weird. I mean, you could make this. You could make this. Do you feel comfortable in here as a bedroom?
As what?
A bedroom?
For me to live in? I doubt it.
You can stand all the way up to the side.
Yeah, but nah. This is a kid's room. I know you like it.
I do. That's okay. This look pretty here too at the bottom.
Yeah.
So we have a roof. That's all you want to ask them? That's all that you have left? Roof?
I think so.
Okay.
Is there anything else you can think
I
of?
think that you should say, you know, something about what's going to happen next.
Yeah.
Because the sooner we figure this out, the better. One way or the other, you know what I'm saying? But I do think you should mention that. My stomach must be huge, I just want to say that. He's probably like, what are they thinking?
Yeah.
I mean, really.
Yeah, well, that's the thing.
I'm sure
I mean, what are we thinking?
Alright, let's go down.
Should we go down there? You want to go down the back stairs?
Whatever you want, man.
Yeah.
Let's move on. I said, John, I said, you have pain in your leg. And I take a pill. And it's like, just enjoy this day. And we're gonna do whatever else comes to you, you know? Sometimes fever setting
You like that door? It's like the albatross door.
You know I do. Yeah.
But they still must have been 100 weight.